So this is day 2. Peace. Saturday suit that you wear on Tuesday and Monday, whatever, featuring mom's little fro fobs. Boop, 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 boop. All right, so we are in Lowe's. This is our 4th trip to a hardware store. So the first time we got the primer, second time we got paint. Today I went back and get more paint, and now we're gonna get the luxury vinyl for my floors. We also got some of this stuff for him to, I'm not really sure what this does, but he had to get that. So I think the budget as of right now has been, I think we're at $300. Alright, so it's day 3, and now we're doing the floors. How you feel, Dad?
I was tired, boss.
These don't go in here, Jay. Unless they go like this, and then you gonna say this message.
What did we just say?
Look, okay.
The fact that you can't keep an organizational tool clean because you didn't buy one that fits the things that you need is your fault.
Okay, look.
So get a new one.
Okay, but look.
That can work for the time being.
Okay, let me put this in the drawer thing. You missing some concealers there.
Oh, I took these out when we were putting the lips in there.
I don't know why you don't just have like little baskets to make.
I got another one.